At hospitals in southern Florida, coronavirus patients just keep arriving, leaving doctors and nurses in crisis mode.
We felt good for a while. We had our 24-bed COVID floor. It was going to be all we needed. And then we had to open up a second floor and a third floor. And now we're into a fourth and fifth floor. And we don't see it getting any better.
The virus is infecting up to 11,000 plus people each day now in the Sunshine State. And the reality on the ground puts a blistering spotlight on Miami-Dade County, where more than 33% of people test positive.
That means 1 out of every 3 people who came for testing was positive. And over the last 2 weeks, we are averaging 24.29% positive.
But Donald Trump, maskless as he's been in public for months, traveled to the hotspot Friday. Even as the county struggles to get a handle on COVID-19, Trump's trip had nothing to do with the pandemic.
Thank you very much.
Instead, the president was at the U.S. Southern Command to discuss drug trafficking in South America as he reboots his re-election campaign. After another record-setting day of new cases in the country, and as the school reopening debate intensifies,
if you can do Home Depot, if you can do Walmart, if you can do these things, we absolutely can do the schools.
The White House insists the president isn't downplaying the virus, but Trump's only mention of it was focused on one of his signature issues, the economy.
Third quarter is going to be tremendous numbers, fourth quarter likewise, and next year economically will be one of the best years we've ever had.
The truth is, throughout this crisis, Donald Trump has been almost singularly focused on the stock market, the Dow and NASDAQ. Not you, not your families.
After the president's trip to Florida, Trump was expected to continue to campaign in New Hampshire over the weekend. But his Saturday night rally has been postponed by a week or two because of impending storms in the area.
Tropical storm Faye is probably going to be hitting a place called New Jersey, a good place, pretty soon.
It would have been Trump's first campaign rally since Tulsa. Though the president spoke to an unfilled arena, health officials said this week the rally and protests related to it likely led to a surge in coronavirus cases in and around the city. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.